Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on how to set target column in gas visualization in Power BI. So first I will show my data. This is my sales data which contains 10 lakh rows and around 23 columns. Sorry, 13 columns. Okay. So there so region, country, item type, sales channel, priority, order date, and units sold, total revenue, total profit, like this. So I am using this sales data by using that gas visualization tool. So gas visualization tool is one of the tool which looks like a speedometer and petrometer in two-wheelers and four-wheelers. Okay, I already loaded the data. Just here I am taking visualization, gas visualization. So this is the gas visualization. Just click on this visualization. So you can see here the tool and just expand this one. Now if you see the data here, this is sales data. These are the columns which I shown earlier. So I am using one column unit sold in value field. So if you select the gas visualization, so these are the labels you have in the down. So value, minimum value, maximum value, target value, tooltips, like this. Now here I am using unit sold column into the value. So just I am dragging this one into the value field. Now you can see the how the unit sold looks like. Yeah, this is how it looks like. So it is there are 5 billion units sold in the organization. So this is just twice of the actual sales. Actual sales. So if I take this one, if I remove this unit sold, I am taking its total cost. So I am dragging total cost into the value. Earlier it is 5 billion, now it is 983. So exactly half of this one. So this number is automatically generated based on the actual value. Okay. Now I am back to the unit sold, the value label. Okay. Now when company wants to set target, when company wants to set the target to salespersons on a particular number, we can use in this gas visualization. So here you find some calculator symbol, new measure. Just click on this one. Actually, when you set the targets, it's always based on the actual figures. Using this actual sales, I want to set the targets to salespersons. When you click this new measure, you will get one here symbol, some calculation symbol. You need to write some tax expression here. So I am taking this target sale. This is my column name. So what is the formula here? Sum of sum of units sold. Sum of units sold. So I am setting the targets 1.10%. 110% on the actual units sold. Actual units sold are 5 billion. I am setting the target as 1.1. Okay, see here, target sale is my column name. So right now you can see here columns on the right side. We don't find any target sale. Okay, just I'm creating this new column with some parameters. Now it is going to create one new column called target sale on the right side. See here, target sale. Okay. Other than the value, there are some minimum value and maximum value. All these things are there. Now I am using this target sale into target value field. Just drag on your target sale and place it in the target value. Now you can see one benchmark. See, 5 billions are actual sales. So I am setting the target on the actual sales with 110%. So target sales will be 6 billion. Okay, this is how you need to set the target based on the actuals in gas visualization. Okay, I am taking one more gas visualization. Okay, and place it beside this sales. So here I am using profit. Okay, I am using the second gas visualization tool for total profit. So I am taking this total profit into values, profit to values. Okay, now you can see the actual profit in the gas visualization tool. See here, this is the total profit. It's around 411 billions. So exactly half of the this figure. So this figure is automatically generated. It's always twice of this actual numbers. Now for this also I am taking some target. So I want to set the target profit for all salesmen using same new measure. I am taking the new measure, writing the DAX expression. So here you don't find any target profit. Okay, there is no target profit here. See here. So here I need to write one column. I want to create one new column. Okay, new column with target profit. Target profit. So this new column is not there in actual table, actual sales table. This target sale is just now created for other purpose, total profit. So here my calculation is sum of total profit, sum of total profit into multiplying with 1.1, same. So here you can get one more column called target. So this target sale and target profit is just created as per our requirement. So these two fields are not there in the original data. Target profit. Now I am using this target profit into target value in this value. Now it is setting the profit here. See here, sum of total profit and target profit. This blue color part completely is sum of total profit, and this is what the target they are setting. This is how you need to create some targets in gas visualization tool. Now I will use one pie chart. So separate pie chart. So this is separate pie chart. So in this pie chart I am using region. Okay, I am using region column in the legend label. I am using region column. In the legend label I am taking and dragging this region column and place it in the legend label. Now you can see here different regions: Asia, Australia, Central America, Europe, Middle East, North America, and everything. Okay, now in the values here, so in the values I am taking some total cost. See, I am placing the region here and total cost. It will show different colors. So this color is completely Europe. So when I click on this region, so automatically these unit sold and target unit sold and sum of total profit also change. I just click on to check the Europe. So here you can see different target sales, different unit sold and sum of total profit. So if I click here in the sub-Saharan Africa, and automatically this also change. See here. And if I want to know the Asia here, this part is belong to Asia, and just click here. Then these gas parameters also change. Okay, this is how you need to set the target, and you need to use the pie chart and to look after the different types of the regions as per the given report. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.